So, if you're a creator, an artist, or you run a business, you know the struggle, right? How do you show off your best work online in a way that actually grabs someone's attention? We're so often stuck with the same old tools, but what if there's a better way to really make your work pop?
We have all been there. You pour all this time and energy into creating something you're proud of, only to put it up in a simple grid or a slideshow that just doesn't do it justice. It just sits there. It feels flat, kind of lifeless, and let's be honest, pretty predictable. And that's the real problem, isn't it? These old school formats, they just can't communicate the passion and the detail that went into your work. They don't create an experience, they just show a picture. Your audience just keeps scrolling, and that chance to make a real connection is just gone. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like that? Today, we're going to look at a tool that's designed to break you out of that flat digital box and give you a way to present your work that's truly immersive.
And this is it, the 3D virtual showroom. Now, this isn't a video, and it's definitely not a slideshow. It's a fully navigable, two-level gallery space that lets people explore your work like they're actually there. You can literally walk around, look up at the mezzanine, and get right up close to every single piece.
The source material calls this a revolutionary new media format. And you know what? That's not just hype. It's this amazing blend of first-person, kind of video game-style movement with the clean, professional vibe of a high-end gallery. You're not just sending a link, you're giving your audience an experience. Okay, so let's get into what I think is one of the absolute best parts of this tool. You are the curator. You are the architect. You get total control over the entire environment to make it completely and uniquely yours. Just look at how dramatically you can change the vibe here. We're talking one click and you can switch the walls from this warm, classic brick to a cool, modern stone. You can change the floors from a natural wood to, say, a polished marble, or even an industrial concrete. It's all about making the space a perfect match for your work. And it's not just about the textures. You can completely control the atmosphere with lighting. You can go for that standard, bright gallery feel, or maybe switch to a warm preset to get a cozier, more intimate mood. There's even a dramatic setting to create some really high contrast and make your pieces just pop off the wall.
So you're probably thinking, okay, but how hard is it to get my stuff on these walls? It's actually incredibly simple. You just pick one of the 15 frames that are available in the gallery, you upload your image, and that's pretty much it. From there, you can fine-tune everything around it to get that perfect presentation.
But here it is. Here's the feature that is a total game changer. Once you've perfected your gallery, how do you share it with the world? Well, this is where the real magic happens, and believe me, it is way simpler than you think. You hit one button. See it there? Export as HTML. That's it. Your entire interactive, fully navigable 3D gallery gets packaged up, ready to send, post, or embed literally anywhere you want. And get this, you'd think a whole 3D world would be this massive, clunky file, right? Wrong. The entire thing, the whole experience, exports to a single file that's only about 105 kilobytes. That is unbelievably tiny. It's smaller than most photos you'd send in an email. So why does that tiny file size matter so much? Well, because it's a self-contained HTML file, it can do some pretty incredible things. It works completely offline, so your client doesn't even need an internet connection to see it. They don't have to install any special software or plugins. You can email it, you can embed it directly on your website, and all the controls are just built right in. It just works. So, who is this actually for? Well, once you start thinking about this as a whole new way to communicate visually, the possibilities, they become pretty much endless. For businesses, this is a powerhouse. I mean, imagine sending a client an interactive product showcase instead of a boring PDF. Agencies can create portfolio presentations that people will actually remember. You could even build a virtual trade show booth or give a tour of a property that hasn't even been built yet. And it's just as revolutionary for creatives and educators. Art students can host their own exhibitions. Photographers can create these deeply immersive galleries. Museums could build virtual tours of their collections. It's a whole new canvas for presenting ideas and showcasing amazing work. You know, this quote from the source material really just hits the nail on the head. The whole point isn't just to show your work. It's to completely transform how people experience it. You're moving them from a passive glance to an active, immersive exploration. So here's the bottom line. The standard tools we use online often limit our creativity. But with a format like this, you're not just uploading images anymore.
You're building a world for them to live in. And that really just leaves one question. What world will you build?